Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan Caravan, where you can learn to draw prams, pushchairs and strollers. These special push-along vehicles are designed to carry babies from when they're very, very tiny until they're 2 or 3 years old. Let's start with a pram. These are designed for very tiny babies so they can lie flat and have a nice sleep while they're being pushed about. We'll draw the frame first. In the middle of your page, draw a tiny little circle. One line that goes all the way around. Attached to the bottom of that, we're going to draw a triangle. So draw a sloping line down to a point, straight across the bottom, and slope back up to where you started. On each of those slopey sides, we're going to draw a long, thin rectangle with a circle for the wheel on the bottom. So starting about here, draw a line that follows the edge of your triangle, but when you get to the end of the triangle, keep going for a little way, then close the bottom of the rectangle with a short line and travel back up till you get to the point of the triangle. Then you can do the same on the other side. Try and make them the same length. And then you can draw a circle on the bottom for the wheel. One line that goes all the way around. Then you can draw a smaller circle inside that one, and an even smaller circle right in the middle. And then you can draw some little lines that come out from that so it looks a bit like a sunshine. And those are the spokes of the wheel. Do the same on the other side. So one circle that's slightly smaller and one that's very tiny in the middle, and lots of straight lines for spokes. Now we can add another long thin rectangle for the handle. So starting about here, draw a line that slants up. Make it a bit shorter than the legs. Close the end of the rectangle with a short line and then draw back to the circle. Now we can draw the part of the pram where the baby sleeps. We're going to use a lying down rectangle for this that has 2 sharp corners and 2 curvy corners. Start by drawing a line straight across the top of your tiny circle. It should be shorter than the width between the 2 wheels. Then you can draw down, curve around a corner, straight across, and then curve back up to join the other side. Prams have hoods over the baby's head to protect them from the weather. For this we're going to use a triangle with a curvy side. So starting here, just in front of the handle, we're going to draw a line straight up. And then we're going to curve around until we meet the end corner of the pram. Most prams, strollers and pushchairs have a little bag or a box that is attached to the frame underneath where the baby sleeps. To draw this, we're going to turn the bottom of that triangle that we started with into the top line of a trapezium. So starting on one end, draw a sloping line in towards the middle, then a long straight line underneath, and another sloping line that goes back up to meet the other side of the triangle. We can't see the baby inside the pram from this angle, but the mum can see it from where she's standing. So let's draw her next. Start by drawing a small circle at the end of the handle for her hand. One line that goes all the way around. We'll use a long thin rectangle with a curvy end for her arm, so slope up to her shoulder, curve around the end and draw back to the hand. We're going to draw a standing up slightly wider rectangle with a curvy top for her body. So starting about here, just a little way down from her shoulder, draw a curved line that goes up and over and around the end of her arm, straight down her back, across her waist, and then straight back up to finish just under where you started, on the underside of her arm. This mum is wearing a skirt, quite a long skirt, so we're going to use a trapezium for this. And it starts on one corner of her waist and slopes down and back. We can draw a wiggly line along the bottom. It needs to finish quite close to the wheel of the pram, and then draw a sloped straight line back up to the front of her waist, to her tummy. From this angle we would be able to see just the top of her other arm, so starting about here, draw a straight line that follows the same angle as the other arm, close it up at the end and draw a little curved line that shows the edge of the other hand. Then you can draw 2 little lines for the neck, bleep, bleep, one line that goes all the way round for the circle head. You can put a little smiley mouth quite close to the front, little line for the nose, 2 dots for the eyes, and then you can add some hair, any style you like. And when you've done that, you can draw the legs and the feet. Now you want your feet to be at the same level as the wheels. The front foot will be quite close to the back wheel. So let's draw a lying down oval for this, making sure the toe is almost touching the wheel. And at the back of the oval you can draw a straight line up and another one for the front. Because she's walking with her pram, her other leg will be at a different angle. So the back line of her leg should follow the same angle as the back of her skirt, and an oval that's tipped up slightly to make her look like she's walking. There. I think she's going shopping. I wonder who she's going with. Maybe she's going with her husband, or her wife, or her mum. Maybe Granny's coming along. Maybe there are some big brothers or sisters in this family. You decide what this family looks like and draw them into the picture. Pushchairs and strollers are just like prams, but the baby sits up instead of lies down. Draw the frame in the same way that you did before. You can put the handle on, the other side this time if you like. Then you can draw a semicircle for the seat. And a curved trapezium for the hood, which starts just above the little circle and ends up just below. From this side angle, you might just be able to see some little hands and feet sticking out the front. Oh look, Dad's pushing this stroller. I wonder where they're going. It looks like the big kids are going to school. They've got their backpacks on. There's one more kind of pushchair that people use when they want to go running. To draw one of these, you need to make the wheels much bigger and the triangle much wider. The baby semicircle seat needs to start up at the top of the frame here and go right to the bottom. And you can draw an extra lying down rectangle at the back for an extended handle. Oh, it looks like she's going for a run around the park, where another family are playing on the swings. I wonder what your family like to do together.